Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by choosing matching clips, same resolution and frame rate, because alignment prevents jitter and sync issues. Trim to the essential shots now. Shorter clips are easier to balance. Once imported into a 16:9 timeline, organize layers. Primary on V1, secondary on V2. Make sure to add your audio track early so you can align cuts to beats. These first steps set a clean foundation. They make the detailed layout much faster later. Now you position and sync. Use crop and transform to size clips, 50/50 for equal focus or 70/30 when one subject dominates, because visual weight guides attention. Once sized, nudge clips and snap them to a common beat or a visual marker. This keeps actions readable. Add guides and safe margins so faces or text aren't cut off. If motion creates gaps, scale or reposition frames frame by frame. This prevents distracting black edges and maintains consistent framing. Finish by polishing color, audio, and transitions. Match exposure and white balance across panels using scopes or a simple LUT so the split feels cohesive. Add a thin border or shadow to separate panels, and duck ambient audio so voice remains clear. Once done, render a short export to check performance. If you see jitter or sync drift, use proxies for smoother playback and manually nudge frames to realign. That single troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.